the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Year 2026 examination results will be declared in the months of April or May 2026. The results will not be available from the CISE office and will be accessible only on the official CISE website. Chief and Assistant Supervising Examiners must ensure that all the directions are communicated to every candidate. All candidates appearing for the examination, along with the examination staff present inside the hall or room, will be under CCTV surveillance. Heads of schools should ensure that their students are well trained to follow all the directions. Candidates who attend school regularly must wear the school uniform, and candidates not in regular attendance must wear light-colored clothes. Only the admission card issued by Icse, blue or black pens, pencils, scale, eraser, sharpener, colored pencils, drawing instruments, and art materials in a transparent pouch are allowed inside the examination hall or room. Textbooks, photocopies, notes, slips of paper, smartwatches, mobile phones, earphones, wireless devices, cameras, wallets, currency notes, handbags, and any sharp objects are not allowed inside. Candidates must be seated in the examination hall or room 30 minutes before the scheduled time. Punctuality is essential. No candidate is allowed to leave the examination hall before the conclusion of the paper. If a wrong question paper or missing materials such as maps or other stationery is noticed, it must be reported immediately to the examiner or invigilator. Apart from the writing time, an additional 15 minutes will be given for reading the question paper. Candidates must not write on the question paper or on the admission card. They must read all general instructions carefully before answering any question. Questions must be read attentively, and no unnecessary information should be written. Excessive time must not be spent on one or two questions, as this may cause shortage of time for the remaining ones. Only the required number of questions should be answered. Candidates must clearly write their unique ID, index number, and subject on the top sheet of the main answer booklet and on all continuation sheets, maps, or graph papers used. All entries must be written using blue or black ink only, and the candidate must sign the space provided on the top sheet. Writing is to be done on both sides of each sheet unless the question paper states otherwise. Margins must be left on both sides of the answer booklet. Each part of a question should begin on a new line. The question number must be written clearly on the left-hand side. Without copying the question, a line should be left after each answer. Handwriting must be neat and legible. Pencils may be used only for diagrams. Continuation booklets will be issued only after all pages of the previous booklet are used. All continuation booklets must be attached to the main answer booklet. All rough work must be done in the answer booklet itself. At the end of the examination, the answer scripts must be arranged in order, with the first page on top, and all sheets must be fastened at the top left corner and submitted unfolded. If a candidate is found arranging unfair help from outside or inside the examination center, their result will be canceled. Candidates caught giving or receiving help or being dishonest during the examination will be reported and may be expelled immediately. Any answer script suspected of unfair assistance will be confiscated and sent with a detailed report. If candidates refuse to give an explanatory statement, the refusal will be recorded. The examiner may allow such candidates to continue writing on a separate sheet. Candidates who are found copying, removing answer sheets, using or carrying electronic devices, bringing notes or books, or replacing answer scripts will have their entire examination canceled. If candidates are found communicating dishonestly or helping others to copy, their result in the paper or the entire examination may be canceled. Candidates who approach or attempt to influence examiners will have their results canceled. Disorderly behavior or disturbance near the examination hall will lead to expulsion and refusal of entry to subsequent papers. Candidates are not allowed to possess any books, notes, pocketbooks, calculators, mobile phones, papers, or devices in the examination hall, except the correct question paper slide rules, if used, must have all information securely covered. Incorrect question papers must be returned immediately. Possession of weapons or dangerous objects is prohibited. Any violation may lead to cancellation of the entire examination. Persons entering the exam with false representation will be expelled and reported to the police. Impersonation cases will result in cancellation of the entire examination. If unfair means are detected, the declaration of the result may be delayed. Candidates whose entire examination is canceled may be barred from future examinations. Offenses committed by non-candidates may be referred to the police or to the school's governing body. Schools whose staff commit offenses may face restrictions in submission of future entries. If widespread unfair means are detected at a center, the results of all candidates in that center may be canceled. In cases not covered by regulations, penalties may be imposed as decided by the awarding committee. Answer scripts will be destroyed after 60 days from the date of declaration of the results. Candidates may apply online for recheck of answer scripts within 4 days of the result declaration by paying a fee per subject or paper. The recheck will only verify marking, total errors, correct transfer of marks, and presence of continuation sheets. Recheck results will be declared on the Icse website. Candidates not satisfied with the recheck may apply for re-evaluation of the same subjects within 3 days of recheck results. Marks awarded after re-evaluation, whether increased or decreased, will be final and non-refundable. Re-evaluation results will be announced on the Icse website. Candidates wishing to improve marks in the same year may appear for the improvement examination. All candidates of the Icse 2026 main examination who are qualified, not qualified, or have appeared again for improvement are eligible. Candidates marked absent earlier in project work may submit the project for assessment. A maximum of 3 subjects may be chosen. Candidates must appear for the theory paper of the selected subject, and for subjects with multiple papers, they may choose 1 or more papers. Project work marks will be carried forward. Heads of schools will register candidates for the improvement examination online. Candidates who do not qualify in 2026 may reappear in 2027 without further attendance, but must take all subjects registered in 2026. Candidates who qualify in 2026 may appear for supplementary subjects in 2027 only in subjects previously offered. Applications for reappearance in 2027 must be submitted online in July and August 2026.